This is Keith Allen with 57th Street Media School of Voiceovers in Tampa, Florida. I have been teaching voiceovers since 2001, but I got into the industry back in 1986. It's hard to believe. It's a lot of years that have gone by, and I've done a lot of different things. Broadcasting, I've done television, and I am a voice coach. So you may have heard my voice on radio and television one time or another, but I teach the art of voice acting, podcasting, and or broadcasting. So if you're looking to get into the industry and you want to break in a meaningful way where you learn the business end, the performing end, the marketing end, so you can be successful at the art of voice acting. Figuring out where you belong in the great scheme of things, we need to have you come on in for a voiceover consultation. And that's simple. All you have to do is click on voiceover consultation and we can line something up. It does cost money to come in for a consultation. It's $37.50 for a half hour or just $75 for an hour, but we record it. You come into a state-of-the-art recording studio and you get an honest assessment of your voice to find out what the potential is and the viability. This is something you can do from your home, and you can do this anywhere that you might be watching this video. It could be in any country. As long as you have a computer and you have internet access, you can do professional voiceover. But you need a voiceover demo to get you launched. Are you ready for the journey? Listen to our alumni demo right here on the front page. It says alumni demo. That'll give you an idea of how our students turn out after the training. And we have a 5-star rating that I'm very proud of on Google. So check that 5-star rating out right now and enjoy the website. Give me a call. You can send me a text too. All our contact information here is on the website. I'd love to talk with you. And like I tell all my students, break a mic.